Go Cole!
For the kids snow ski intermediate winners in ring 4, in third place, Daniel Herbert. In second place, Isaac Vidal. And in first place, from Makaka Gold Team, Samuel.
Get him, Cole!
Lewis.
Pick him up, Cole!
That away. We took him on.
Get out of it!
Get out of that.
They went right into that thing.
We got him in the guard. He got 3 points.
Get him, Cole!
Get him, Cole. Get his back.
Come on, Cole, get him! Get his back!
Get his neck. Get his neck.
Go, Cole, come on! Come on, Cole, get him!
Come on, get out of it. Good. Don't let him in your guard, buddy. Come on, come on.
Come on, Cole, get him! Get out of it!
Come on, man. Give me some instructions.
No, he didn't. He did? Nah, crap.
What happened?
I don't know.
What happened? What did he have in there?
I don't know, he tapped. That foot doesn't do nothing. He don't tap with his foot.
He did better.
Yeah, he did.
Like if he was doing good on his takedowns.
For the kids snow ski novice winners in ring 3, in third place, Jeremy Mazaregos. In second place, Hunter Kasarek. And in first place from BJJ Revolution, Jaden Donaldson. For the kids ski beginner winners in ring 9, in second place, Cole Henderson. And in first place from Team Took, David Corden.
I'm Brian.